Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Everything good, Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
All right. Revised everything of the last class?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any doubts on that?
No, sir. No doubt.
Hello Ryan, Jiva.
Hello, sir.
Hello. This is your first class, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. What are the chapters that is completed in your school?
We complete the part 1 textbook release, sir, but we are currently going on intervals.
Integrals. All right. We are also studying integrals right now. We have completed 2 classes of this. Like basic
how many
formulas.
basic formulas? Okay, sir. You
Yeah,
didn't start
only
any
the basic.
exercise?
No. Only basic formulas. All right.
Oh, okay, sir.
So if you know the formulas of differentiation, then no need to remember anything, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So that is all we have done till now. And if you have if you want to watch that, you can get the recorded lectures also. And if you still have any doubts in that, you can ask me. I will keep a backup class so that we can make you understand this chapter completely.
Okay,
All right.
sir. Thank you.
All right. Ryan, you there? I don't think so. All right. So in the last class, we started the first part of integration, which is very crucial, substitution method. Right? What is substitution method? Suppose you have integration of log x upon x dx. All right. So this integration, there is no basic formula for this type of integration, log x upon x. So in this type of questions, what we do, we use a method called substitution method. Right, Ahmed? We did few questions on the last class.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the main thing you have to look for in substitution method?
Function.
Function and
Function always multiplies with df, like dx.
right. The differentiation of the function is always multiplied with dx, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So Jiva, what this means is, if you have a function and you put that as t, then differentiation of this function we can write f dash x dx equals to dt, right?
Yes, sir.
So you always have to look for this only. Look for f of x and its differentiation that is multiplied with dx. If you can figure out the function and its differentiation, then everything is good. You can solve any question of substitution. All right. Now in this question, how many functions can you see, Jiva?
Two functions, log x and x.
Log x and x. So can you tell me the differentiation of log x?
1 by x.
1 by x. So we can see, if I take log x as t, if our f of x is t, then 1 by x dx will be dt. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if this is f dash x, then we can replace this. We can see 1 upon x dx is multiplied. So this is the way to use substitution. Let's put log x is t. So we have this log x as t into dx upon x, we can write dt. So the question is changed into t dt. This step is clear, everyone?
Yes.
All right. Now we have basic formulas. Integration of x raised to the power n. What is the formula for that, Ahmed?
Yes, sir. What is the question?
What is the formula of integration of x raised to the power n?
X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1.
Absolutely. So we can use this formula here. This is t raised to the power 1. So this will be t raised to the power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus c. Right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Jiva, when you have integration without any limits, upper limit, lower limit, this is called indefinite integration. You always have to add plus
Okay.
c. All right.
It's a constant. Okay, sir.
Yes, this is a constant. This is called constant of integration. All right. So the answer is t square by 2 plus c. But we don't know what is t. The teacher doesn't know what is t. So we have to replace the value again. T was equal to log x. The question is log x to the power 2 by 2 plus c. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hello, Ginza.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. What about you? You have been to the you missed a lot of classes, right?
Yes, sir. I was not well.
You are fine now.
Yeah. Fine.
All right. Good. So we actually completed the maxima minima chapter and we started integration in the second last class. All
Yes.
right.
Yes.
We did the basic formulas and we just started substitution method. All right. So please get the recorded lectures and do watch by the next class so that you will be able to keep up with that.
I can understand. I'm able to.
All right. All right. Then it's clear. You know the basic formulas of integration.
Yes, sir.
Then it's okay. Everything is cool. So this question was clear. You were there in this class now, right now.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
It is.
All right. All right. So please note it down. Ask me if you have any doubts. All right. Kinza and Ziva, specifically you guys, because you missed 2 classes. All right. You can ask me any doubts you have, anything basic or non-basic, anything. All right. Don't hesitate.
Yes, sir.
Note it down. Then I'll give you a few questions to solve.
Done, done, sir.
All right, guys, please try to solve this one. Same method, substitution. You just have to find the substitution here. All right, Kinza. Everyone else, please try to solve this. Find the function and its differentiation in the same question.
So can you do the question?
All right, very simple question. See, whenever you see log x, always try to find 1 upon x, right? Because when you take log x as t, we have seen what this becomes 1 upon x dx equals to dt. So is there any way you can find 1 upon x in this question? We need 1 upon x into dx. If we have this, then we can assume log x is t. See, if we take x common from the denominator, then we'll have 1 plus log x into x dx. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, if you take log x as t or 1 plus log x as t, same thing, right? Nobody is saying anything to you. So we can take 1 plus log x as t. So 1 upon x dx becomes dt. So integration becomes 1 upon this is t and dx upon x is dt. The steps are clear.
Yes, sir.
All right, Jiva.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ryan, you have joined now. Still no. So what is the integration of 1 upon t?
Log log modulus of t.
Log modulus t. Let's see.
Let's see.
So again, teacher doesn't know what is t. So we have to replace the value again. Log of modulus t is 1 plus log x. Right?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Please note it down, all of you. Tell me when you're done. All right. Next question. Integration sine of or sine x into sine of cos x dx. All right. This cos x is the angle of sine. All right. Sine of cos x. Try to think. Try to solve. Ahmed, just think about the question. All right. Take your time, no worries. Because the more questions you try to think, the better you will be at solving this type of questions. What you have to find? You have to find a function and its differentiation. So just think about all the functions you can see here. And look function which if you differentiate, you will get f dash x dx, this thing. All right, Ahmed, take all the functions you can see, put that as t, differentiate, see if you can get f dash x dx written here in this question. Am I making any sense, Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
All right, Jiva, what about you?
I just found the answer, but I'm not sure it's right or wrong.
No worries, no worries. Send me the answer on the chat. All right, Kenza,
Yes, sir.
solve it.
Yes, sir.
All right, send me the answer in the chat.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
All right, and Ahmed, please take 2 minutes more. Think about this. No worries. If you cannot solve this, then it's okay. I'm here for that only. But it's good to try. Correct answer, Kinza. Jiva, how did you solve this?
So first I found the function of cos x, differentiate of cos x, then I substituted it with the dt.
All right.
Then I found the integral of sine the whole sine of integral of full function. And I got sine cos square x plus c.
No. You did that mistake. That only then mistake, right? Let me explain this. Ahmed, if you take cos
Yes,
x
sir.
as t here, right? You have sin x, you have cos x, and you have sine of cos x. 3 functions, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you take cos x as t, then what is the differentiation of cos x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. So minus sin x dx will be dt.
Yes, sir.
So we have sin x dx in this question, right? Sin x into dx.
Hmm.
So sin x into dx, what you can write? Minus dt.
Yes, sir.
So now we can replace the function. What you have integration. This sin x dx you can write minus dt. And sine of cos x is t.
T.
So the integration becomes, you can take minus out of integration. So sin t dt. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Jiva, clear till now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what is the integration of sin t?
Cos t.
Think again.
Sure.
Minus cos t.
Yes, sir.
Right. So don't forget the negative sign. Very important in maths. So we have cos t. See, and what is the value of t? with cos x. So cos of cos x plus c. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, note it down. Tell me when you're done. Jiva, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, note it down. All right, next question. This one, 3x square upon 1 plus x cube dx. Think about this. Take all the functions as t, differentiate them, see if you can find the correct substitution. Take your time, guys. Don't worry. You can do this.
Sir, done.
All right, send me the answer on chat. Please put the value of t also. Correct answer, Ahmed. Jiva, how did you solve this?
So first I took x cube plus 1 is equal to t, so I got 3x square. I substituted it as dt. So we have 3x square in the question, so I substituted dt by t is equal to log t plus t. So log 3x square plus 1
Log t plus c, right?
plus c.
Right. So what is the value of t?
T is 3x square.
T is not 3x square. T is
One
1 plus
1
x cube.
1
Right.
plus x cube.
So you solved the answer completely. Just like the replacement of t is wrong. Rest is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So please be careful when doing that. Pinza, understood this? All right. I'll take that as a yes. Next question. Integration of sine ax plus b cos ax plus b dx. All right, and then just integrate that. T dt, integration of T dt, negative you can take outside. Jiva, Kinza, solve it. You can take any of this function as t, and you'll be getting the same answer. Okay, just take sine ax plus b equals to t. So differentiation of sine ax plus b will be cos ax plus b into a, right? Chain rule. We are using chain. Sine ax plus b differentiation is a cos ax plus b dx equals to dt. So cos ax plus b dx equals to 1 upon a dt. This thing is clear, everyone?
So can you repeat this part? Can you explain this part again?
All right. We have sine ax plus b equals to t.
Yes,
If you
sir.
differentiate this function, differentiation of sine x is cos x. Now we
Yes,
have to
sir.
differentiate this internal function also, ax plus b.
So a constant, we can take it out.
Yes, right. Differentiation of ax plus b is a. So a is multiplied into dx equals to dt.
Yes, sir.
But we want cos ax plus b dx. So cos ax plus b dx will be, we can throw this a to this side. So 1 upon a dt.
Okay, sir.
So now let's replace this. This is t. This is dt by a. So 1 upon a is outside. Integration of t dt is t square by 2. All right.
Yes, sir.
So 1 upon a t square sine ax plus b whole square by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. All right.
Yes, sir.
Jiva, Kinza, clear? All right. I believe this is clear. Note it down. Next question, integration of a to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x squared dx. All right, solve it.
So in the last question, how t squared by 2 came?
In the last question,
How t squared by 2 came? We explain that part.
see, integration of t dt. So integration of t dt. This is t to the power 1. So integration of this is t to the power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1c.
Okay, sir.
Right. So t square by 2 plus.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right, Ahmed, you have solved this question also.
Yes, sir.
All right, send me the answer.
Okay, sir. 1 second.
All right, Jiva, Kinza, please solve it.
So I found the dt, but I'm not able to do the step.
First, all right. So what we can take as t?
1 plus x square.
No. See, if you take this as t, then 2x dx will be dt.
So we can take a tan inverse as
Absolutely right. We can take tan inverse x as t. So 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x squared dx is dt. So now you can solve it very easily. You figured out the mushkil step. Easy one is remaining. So e to the power t dt you have. What is integration of e to the power t?
E raised to t plus c.
Absolutely correct. Correct answer, Ahmed. Right, Jiva? E to the power t integration is e to the power t itself.
yes, sir.
So just replace the value of t. We have e to the power tan inverse x plus c. All right. Next question. So I hope substitution is being clear to you. Sec square 7 minus 4x dx. Try to solve it.
So here I'm getting dt as minus 4dx. So what should I do after that?
What did you assume as t?
Like 7 minus 4x.
7 minus 4x. So if you take 7 minus 4x as t, so minus 4 dx will be dt.
So and minus sign will go that side. Is it like that?
You can throw this minus 4 to that side directly. So dx will be minus 1 upon 4 dt.
Yes, sir.
Now I believe you can do this.
Yes, sir. Got it.
All right. Jiva, this is clear?
Yes, I found the dt, but I'm doing the integral step.
All right, all right.
So I got it.
All right, send me the answer on chat.
Yes, sir.
All right, correct answer. So this integration becomes integration sec square t and dt minus 1 upon 4. So minus 1 upon 4 we can take outside, integration sec square t dt. So integration of sec square t is tan t. All right, Jiva, this is basic formulas. You can get the lecture, previous lecture, and you will be updated with that.
So I'm not able to find this integral step, but I'm able to find the substitution step. So it's kind of difficult.
Right. That is what I'm saying, right? You are getting what to substitute, right?
Sir.
Right. So basic formulas, this is basic integration, right? So please just get the previous lecture. You will see all the formulas written there. Just memorize that and everything will be okay. So tan of 7 minus 4x. Let's see. Next question. Integration of under root ax plus b dx. All right, Ahmed, send me the answer. All right. So what we can do here is we can take ax plus b as t. So we'll have a dx equals to dt. So constants have never been double for us. So dx will be 1 upon a dt. So this whole equation becomes under root t dx is dt upon a. So 1 upon a integration of t to the power half dt. So integration of t to the power half is t to the power half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus c. So this is 3 by 2. So 2 by 3, 2 by 3a t to the power 3 by 2 plus c. The value of t
Do we
is,
have to write like 2 by 3a, or like we can just write like 1 by a t raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2?
yes, you can do that, right? Writing like how you write is not so much important, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
But it should be presentable, right? Don't leave like this 3 by 2 here, doesn't look good.
Okay, sir.
Right.
So just one question. This for any constant or negative, you should just put the side for negative sign to dt and the constant to dt, so it become 1 by a, right? For any constant, sorry if I'm getting like 4 or 1 single digit number without getting the second number.
No, I did not understand what you asked.
I'm asking that dx is equal to, like, first answer was a dx is equal to dt. So you just transfer the a to the left hand side.
Absolutely.
So it's like same method. We should not keep the single digit as d, like a dx. You can't substitute directly.
No. See, why I cannot do that? Because we have dx in this question, right? We are replacing this value. We are not doing anything like मर्जी से कुछ नहीं हो रहा ना. We have under root of ax plus b. So ax plus b we assumed as t. Now we have to do something about this dx. So we figured out what we can replace this value of dx with. So I found out dx I can write as dt by a. This thing is clear, Jiva?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now there is a trick also. If you can, like, you have suppose under root x integration. So we know this is x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you replace x with a linear quantity means ax plus b, then all you have to do is the same integration, ax plus b to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, just divide with the coefficient of a, 1 by a. This will be the answer. You can use this directly. All right, what do I mean by this?
Okay, sir.
All right,
I
not
understood.
just in this question, all functions. What is integration of sin x?
Then sin x is cos
Minus cos.
minus cos.
So if I write integration of sin 5x plus 6, then again what you can do, integration of sin x is cos x. So minus cos 5x plus 6, just divide with the coefficient of x, 1 by 5. This will be the answer. Is it clear?
Sir, thank you.
All right. So if you know the integration of any function and they replace x with any linear function of x, then divide by the coefficient of x and the answer will be same. Ahmed, this thing is clear?